All right, what is going on? It's your boy Ski. We got a we got a banger We just got done with this crazy live stream with at Ray the God. So shout out to him. That was a really good one. But I just want to make sure that I honor you guys. I know a lot of you guys followed me for that as far as live streams and markets. So I want to make sure that I'm still doing that for you guys as well. So if you guys want to drop your coins in the queue and we will get this thing rolling. Let me just send this out. So yeah, I want to make sure that I honor you guys as far as that goes. Let me move this around a little bit. Get this. We'll do it like this, y'all. And then we'll put your boy Ski over here. So let's type this up. Drop your coins in the chat. Boom. All right, cool, y'all. Bet. I just want to make sure that I honor everyone who's following me for my price, my TA, and all that. I'm going to continue to do my podcast as well. Um, can't hear. Super great. Okay. All right, let me turn it up. I got you, my friend. I had it turned down because like it was peaking a little bit too much. How's that? Is that better? Can you guys hear me better? All right. Bet. Sounds fantastic. All right, cool. So I'm just trying to work through the kinks. We just got through a really deep podcast with Ray the God. So shout out to him. I know a lot of people follow me for my TA, my price predictions, all of that. So I want to make sure that I honor everybody and that I'm going to be doing both. So the yin and the yang. So here is my price predictions. Make sure you guys drop your coins in the chat. And cheers. So right now I'm looking at XRP. We're having a pullback in the market for sure. I wonder if I pull up another screen, if you guys see that too. This is the way I have it set up. Okay, you do. Bet. That's dope. All right, cheers. So having a major little pullback in the market as to be expected because nothing goes up forever. What goes up must come down. And if you go over here to the charts on Bitcoin specifically, I drew out this ABC when everyone was talking about how, we're just going to be going up forever and everything is Gucci, man. I drew this out, this ABC correction. I drew it out on this candle right here, which Bitcoin was 24.2 at the time. So at this time right here, 24.2, I drew out an ABC correction and I said literally this was the local top on the day. I said an ABC correction would be absolutely a-okay, perfectly normal, and here we go. We're headed right down, just like I anticipated. So, and if this continues to play out the way that it's playing out, A, B back up to 23, C correction, and that could be anywhere between 21. It could be as low as like 16,000. All of those, it could really be as low as 15.5. All of those are fine as long as this holds right here. Anything is good. But I think the normal like spot you would actually really want to see is to fill out this wick right here because there's thin air in between here and there. So you'd want to fill this out. And then once we get to the C correction, the next thing where we're going to go off and away to the next bull run, not bull run, but hold on, let me not the bull run, but after that would be a retracement to the 0.5 level, which would be about 40,000 for Bitcoin, as high as 50,000, somewhere between 35, 40,000, anywhere in there would be perfectly fine, perfectly normal. There we go. This is what I was looking for. Anything in there would be perfectly fine, perfectly normal. And what you're going to notice, so this is the sentiment for you guys to be aware of. All right, so if you go in my comments when we're on the C correction right here, everyone's wife's boyfriend is going to be talking about how we're going to go back to 10K. See, I was right. Uh, all the bears are going to come back. Nana boo boo. Stick your face in doo doo. See, I told you we were going to go lower. And then if you go in my comment section, chances we ever hit 12 or 13 again. Anything is possible. However, I believe firmly, and I've been saying it since November, that this was the low. And in fact, Ethereum, the bottom has been in since June. XRP, the bottom has been in since June. Quant, the bottom has been in since June. I think the next really good opportunity to get a good spot is on the C correction. Okay. And when the Bears come back out and say, see, we're going lower, we are going to 10K, that's going to be the last, like, really good entry point before we go off and away into the 0.5 level. And I think the 0.5 level, AKA like 35 to 40K, is going to be reached sometime between April and May. Just like the stock market saying goes, sell in May and walk away. And what's going to happen, in my opinion, is during this ride up, people are going to think that the bull market is back on. The bull market is back on. And what I'm telling you now, friends, is just because the bottom is in doesn't mean the bull is back on. Okay. It does not mean that. So what I think is going to happen, we're going to go up here to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. People are going to say, woohoo, we're going to Mars, baby. Can't wait. And I'm going to say, no thanks, my friends. I'm going to get off here at the moon because we're going to come crashing right back down to Earth. And damn it, I moved my line there. That's okay. And we're going to back test this prior support. That is my opinion on how we are going to play out before then going off and away into the next bull run. This is my macro view on the market. Off and away into the next bull run will probably be into 2024. I think that this back test from the 0.5, what in the world? What's up with my damn? This back test from the 0.5 is going to be, I don't know why this is. Let's get a different one. The back test from the 0.5 is going to be probably sometime around October. I got my eye on the October eclipse. I think that that is when it would be. Jesus, what is up on my charts? There we go. All right. He says, can you make a screen bigger? We can't see. Do you want my screen to be bigger or the charts? How's that? Is that better? You want my screen to be bigger or the charts to be bigger? So ABC correction. This isn't my chart. Off and away to the next bull run. And I think that this will take probably, the ABC correction will be probably like March time frame, maybe like a slight event. Charge actually thinks. How is that? Much better? Okay, good. I'm learning and growing, trying to do this the best I can, trying to honor everybody, doing my podcast, and still honor you guys that are following me for the charts. I'm trying to do both. So if you appreciate that, make sure you guys are hitting the like button. hitting that share, all that. Do you guys see this too, or no? I don't think you do. Cool. All right, yeah. Let's try to get this stream up to. Let's try to get the stream up to like 5,000 likes on TikTok. That would be dope. And then drop your guys' coins in the chat. Let's get this thing rolling. I always see your crypto predictions. Really enjoy watching them. Thank you, my friend. I really appreciate that. What beer is that? This is my beer of choice. Not sponsored. I wish I was. Corona. Corona with a lime. Matic. Matic, I got you, my friend. Let me get a pen because I know you guys are going to start rolling in. Let me get a good pen. All right. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this. I'm really trying to really grind on my craft, make it better. I don't try to do like hopium. Some people accuse me of that, but everything I do is based off of the charts and the moon and the sentiment, all of that. Um, but also, even with my predictions, what I say is not law. I have a good idea, I have a good grasp of what general flavor we're going to be in. But always, 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 my underlying message is to dollar cost average, dollar cost average, dollar cost average, buy a little bit every week, and then sell when we start getting to certain levels. Add some black salt, good for the gut health. That's what it's all about. All right, Matic, QNT, H bar, and Sandbox. My guy has got some solid fundamentals. H bar, Sandbox. All right, and if somebody, we'll do one at a time too. So your content is awesome, mate. Keep going. Slow and steady wins the race. How likely is it for it to shoot up? How likely is it for it to shoot up percentage? Well, right now, this is what I drew this out like maybe like a week ago. Um, some of you like guys that are here regularly, I drew this out like back here. Okay, I drew out an ABC correction, and this is pretty much like we've been following this pretty closely. Okay, so what goes up must come down. So this is what I think is really going to happen right now. This is like the next sort of move, ABC correction, back down to 17, 16, probably as low as it would go. 21 would probably be the height of the low before then going off into a big retracement, 35, 40,000, 45,000, somewhere in there. That's my view. And I think that this whole move, let me delete this. I think that this whole move will play itself out by like May. And then we're going to come right back down here. Whoops. This is my macro view on the market. What in the world is going on? Come right back to this prior trading range before then going off and away to the next bull market. And that's probably going to take us into 2024, somewhere in there. So this is my view on the market. This is a macro view. So yeah. All right, let's do Matic. Matic has been a really strong performer during the bear market for sure. Real fundamentals on Matic. You love to see it. But I will say, like, the downside is really strong for Matic, like as far as protection. But we've already had a lot of the move. We already went to the 382. Like, we're already from the current price that we're at right now, from the bottom, not even the bottom, but the bottom range, we're already up 300%. So in the charts, thank you for the likes. Let's get this stream up to 10,000 likes, y'all. I think I got faith in y'all. So share this stream, hit the like button, comment your coins down, and I'm gonna try to honor you guys. I know like the podcast is new, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm still doing this for the OGs. But I will be interviewing people at least 3 times a week is my goal, and I want to do these live streams at least 3 times a week. If I have crypto people on, I'll just open up the chat for questions and charts at the end, maybe after like an hour. But if it's someone who's not like a crypto person that I'm interviewing, I'll just do a separate live stream like I'm doing right now. All right, so the 0.5 for Matic, you're looking at $1.60. Maximum retracement level, you're looking at 212. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $9.60. How low Bitcoin can drop now? Um, so if we go back to the ABC, like I think the lowest it'll probably go is 16, but I think the likely landing spot is probably 20. So you have your likely high, your parabolic high, and then your low high, and then you have the same thing. You like your catastrophic low, your likely low. And so, like, I think worst case scenario, we're probably going to go to 15.5, back test this, like the prior lows in November. But the likely spot is probably 21.19, somewhere in there. And that's perfectly fine. ABC correction, that is a good thing. It means that my thesis is still correct. And we're probably, if it does an ABC correction, the move after that is a quick lightning moonshot to the 0.5. So when you see an ABC correction, you got to, that's your last chance to get some really good entry points before we're about to go off and away. All right, let's do Q and T. I appreciate you guys' support and love and all that. Make sure you guys check out this podcast that I just dropped with Ray the God on YouTube. Man, we went really deep on a lot of topics. So same thing for Quant. Video evidence down here. I always say this, but hey, I'm gonna say it again. Video evidence screaming $48 Quant is a steal. We came up and hit the 0.5 already, bro. You love to see it. Came back tested the 236, and we're kind of consolidating there. That's beautiful. Like crash, retrace, reaccumulate. Probably one more downside. If Bitcoin does an ABC correction, it'll probably get back in here to 120, maybe 100, like downside. And if you get like $100 quant, like you better be scooping it up, in my opinion, not financial advice. Now, if you just want to retrace all the way, you're looking at $300 and maximum parabolic level for quant, $1,400 in 2025. Now, big picture on quant, like super crazy fundamentals on quant. Easily could go over $10,000 over the next 5 years. H bar also in my top 5. I love H bar, man. H bar is amazing. Everything. I think Phil wanted AVAX. Phil Nabal. AVAX, is that right? Type the ticker if you're still watching, Phil. Time to get a job until May and stack up on quant at the end. That's what it's all about, man. Not the job part, but just dollar cost averaging. That is always my message, y'all. Dollar cost average, dollar cost average, dollar cost average. You know, whatever you got to do, because this is like the last. We're rounding the bear market. We're rounding the corner, getting ready to go off and away to a retracement. And then after that, it is going to be come back in the bull market. And that's the last chance for another 3 or 4 years to have life-changing entry points. So maybe do some Lyft or Uber or DoorDash or whatever you got to do. Stack you some coins. Not financial advice. All right, automatic rally on H bar, getting pretty close to it. 888. I will be taking a little 5 or 10% here. Now, if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 30 cents. Maximum retracement level, 41 cents. And if H bar wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $2. Now, I personally will be taking profit. I will start the dollar cost average out of the market, selling out, sell cost average every single week after $1 on H bar. Excuse me. All right, let me open up my door. It's 2 seconds. Be right back. 10. All right, so right over there, if you guys didn't know, GRT, I got you, my friend. GRT, and I think I missed one. Jasmine. Jasmine. If you guys don't know, like right over there, beyond these curtains, is my big mining farm. And if I leave the door shut, it gets toasty in here sometimes. So I gotta make sure that I do that. Hmm. All right. Cool. Jasmine. And then we'll do sandbox. Jasmine's like a fan favorite for sure. You guys love Jasmine, man. A lot of people really love Jasmine. It's not like a mainstream coin, um, but a lot of people love Jasmine. Automatic rally on Jasmine, 1.7 cents. Um, if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 9.3 cents. I would take profit here. Like I said, guys, 90% of all coins are not going to make new all time highs. Even if you love this coin with all your heart, take profit at the retracement levels. Not financial advice. Secure a little bit of a bag. At least try to secure yourself in the green. That's the goal. That way, like, if you secure, let's say you invest $100, right? If you invest $100, right, and then on the retracement on the way up, like right here, you have now $700, right? So a 7x. Just take out your $100. So now you have a 6x that can just ride forever and you're not stressed at all because you got your money out. All right. Maximum retracement level 13 cents for Jasmine. And if Jasmine wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, 69 cents. Opinion on Kraken and the SEC suing them for staking. It's just, man, it's just what the SEC does. Like, I firmly believe that you show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. And like literally, so like this is my opinion. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Let me go to Bitcoin real quick. Real quick, real quick. What in the world? Oh. So like I drew this ABC out like a week and a half. Damn it. A week and a half ago. So in order for an ABC to happen, gotta reset. In order for an ABC to happen, we need some sort of narrative to push it down. We need some sort of narrative to get us back down here to the C. But I had no narratives, and we were in not euphoria, but we were definitely getting exciting again for crypto back here. And I drew this out because that's just how it goes. Like, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. XYO, I got you, my friend. So I think it's just fun to shake people out. That's just how it goes. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. That is what they do to shake you out of the market at a cheap price so that they can buy it cheaper. Um, if nothing fundamental, now, if fundamental things change about your project, then that's a different story. But if nothing fundamental is different, then it's just a buying opportunity. That's it. That's it. That's my opinion. FUD is a fudding blessing. It's a blessing to buy your same thing that you love at a cheaper price. All right, getting rejected here off of the automatic rally. Didn't quite get there, but thin air in between here. So, in reality, anywhere between here and here, from 30 cents to 10 cents, like you would like it to kind of build that out. That would be mature thing to do. So, kind of whatever. Like one of those numbers would be good for a while on this particular project to kind of mature itself. But the next level beyond that, if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $1.36 maximum retracement level. Again, I would take profit here, guys. $1.86. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $9.46. For the subscription. Praffle, thank you. Thank you for subscribing, becoming a subscriber. All right. Drop your coins in the chat on YouTube and on TikTok. We're live on both right now. I'm just trying to make sure that I honor you guys because I know I'm doing the podcast and it's new, but definitely having some really good conversations. A lot of value on that end of the spectrum as well as me doing the live stream on the chart. So I'm trying to make sure that I do both, honor you guys for the OG subscribers as well as helping people in other ways, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, physically, all of that. That's what I'm here for. XYO, and then we'll go to Sandbox because I did my man's uh, 3 different coins. So, anyways, what I'm trying to say is I really appreciate you guys being patient with me and allowing me to kind of grow through these growing pains. You guys have been very supportive, and I really appreciate you guys allowing me to do that and just try to add as much value as I can to you guys. That's my whole goal in this. Or it just goes down, no uptrend. Yeah, anything's possible, but when it goes, it doesn't matter what the fundamentals are at this stage in the market because eventually they're all going to go to zero. Not all of them, but like all the nonsense is going to go to zero. And I'm not saying GRT is nonsense, but there's a lot of nonsense in the market. But at this stage in the game, until we get regulation and they wipe all that stuff out, just like you see, like Elon Nutsack coin is going to go on a rocket ride when Bitcoin goes all to new all-time highs, and that's just how it's going to go. It doesn't matter what the coin is. If it's a crypto coin, it's going to be riding until we get out of this crypto bubble, and then it's going to be the fundamentals, which is for me the ISO coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Quant, XRP, HBAR, XLM, XDC, whatever. That's right. 97% of cryptocurrencies are going to go to zero, big picture, 10, 20 years from now. A lot of this isn't going to be here. Automatic rally, 1.1 cents. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 4 cents. I would take profit here. Maximum retracement levels, 5.5 cents. Again, I would take profit here. And if XYO wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, which I think only 10% of coins will do, 27 cents. All right, Sandbox. What's your guys' top metaverse coin? Let me know in the chat. All right, we're getting pretty close to the automatic rally. Like this would be if you were accumulating down here, which is why I always advocate um for they say Gala XRP prediction. I got you, my friend. Uh, Sandbox, Gala and Sandbox. Those are mine too. Why I always advocate for dollar cost averaging. This would be a good place to take 5 or 10%. Now, if she just wants to retrace $4.11, maximum retracement level of $5.66, I would definitely take profit here. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, price prediction is $27.63. All right, XRP. XRP is my number one holding, the biggest bag that I have, because if there is a start over of grand magnitude, some would refer to it as a great reset. XRP is the winner. Yeah, Gala is my number one gaming token, and Sandbox is like my number one VR. All right. Alluvium, please. I got you. All right, XRP. All right, if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $1.71. I'll be taking a little bit at $1. She gets like 88 cents. I'm gonna start taking a little bit of profit. Maximum retracement level $2.37. I'm gonna be taking profit here, even though it's my biggest bag, and even though I think it's gonna go absolutely parabolic and red rocket, all that. The next level I'll be taking profit is at $5, and the next level after that is $8.42. This is my conservative parabolic level. Really, for me, I'm gonna start dollar cost averaging out of the market. I'll be still dollar cost averaging out of the market pretty heavy beyond $5. And the maximum parabolic level for XRP that I think it could go $11. Now, if she wants to go like really crazy, like $13, $14 maybe, but I think this 589 stuff is a little bit nonsense. It's a hopium, all that. I don't know. Nothing in the charts says any of that. If it goes to 589, then the US dollar, it doesn't matter anyways. It's which I mean, I suppose that's possible. Yeah, that's nonsense. If it goes into thousands, all right, let's just put it in perspective. Okay. For XRP to get to $10, it needs a $500 billion market cap. That's more than Bitcoin right now. Is that possible? Yes, it is certainly possible, and it's plausible even to get to 500 billion and to get to $10. It's not only possible, it's plausible in my opinion, right? However, to get to $1,000, we would need like a $50 trillion market cap. That is not plausible. Why do they say it's not about market cap? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't understand. The only way that it goes to 1,000 is like you're not gonna want it to be 1,000. I'm gonna tell you right now because it's gonna be like Zimbabwe. The U.S. dollar is gonna be like Zimbabwe currency. Uh, yeah, they say it's not about market cap because if you make it about market cap, you realize that it's a fantasy and it's not real. So the only way that you can believe in Santa Claus is if you think that he's going to go down the chimney. If you don't have a chimney, you got to say that he just makes his own chimney when you go down there. That's why. All right, Alluvium, automatic rally, $210. I have 190 XRP, not worth it. Dollar cost average, my man. Like you're looking at a 20x from current price. Can we do Gala after? We can. Sorry, my friend. I thought you were doing my question, but I got you on Gala. Is Gala your biggest bag? I feel like it is. All right. Now she just wants to retrace for Illuvium $888. I would definitely take profit here. Gala is my biggest bag. Hey, I'm not mad at you, bro. I already know you're up big. Close to 1,000,000 coins. My guy. If the maximum retracement for Illuvium would be $1,230, I would definitely take profit here. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $6,200. That'd be insane. More likely going to retrace, in my opinion. What should we invest right now? We could possibly take the most out this year low. Budget. All right, let me read that again. What should we invest in right now where we could possibly take the most out this year? Well, my friend, like honestly, like I'll go back to XRP after I do Gala. But your downside protection is like very high on XRP and your upside potential is very high. So, in my opinion, the best bang for your buck, big coin that's not going to lose you a ton of money, but also has a huge upside potential is XRP. Got some KA3 coming next week. Thoughts on Kadena? Price prediction. I got you, my friend. All right. Got rejected perfectly off the automatic rally. Man, that's crazy. Like on the nose. I know for a fact I said I would take profit here. I know I said that because I wouldn't have drew the line there. Down 33%, perfectly normal, by the way. Because, like, you know, you don't have a 300% rise without a 33% fall. And I know that I called this out. I know that I did. I said take a little bit of profit here. Let's say you would have took 5% of your bag. Now you got a 33% discount to take your 5% and start going back in. Take profit, guys. All right. Now, if Gala wants to go just retrace, 90% of all cryptocurrencies are only going to retrace 43 cents. If she wants to go absolutely the maximum retracement level, 60 cents, I would take profit here as well. Secure the bag. Secure the bag. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, now this says $3, but anytime you have a nice even round number, for me, that's really 288. You know what I mean? Because $3 is such a psychological level, it's going to be difficult to get it on the nose. Or ride the wave in Dogecoin while Bitcoin goes up. Hey man, you got to ask yourself, like, what do you believe in the most? You know what I mean? But for me, the biggest upside potential with the lowest downside risk is XRP. Like, okay, so from right where we're at, maybe we have a 20% downside risk. Right? Maybe 45 would be like the lowest. And if your dollar cost averaging 45 isn't really 45 because if it's going down, you're buying on the way down. So it's really like, 20%. Okay. But your upside potential on XRP, and by the way, this court case is going to get wrapped up. You're looking at a 29x. That's insane. Insanity. 29x is insane. All right. Engine. Let me do a Cadena first, and then we'll do engine. I need a Corona too. My cheers. 88. Getting rejected off the automatic rally. So back testing here wouldn't be crazy to come back down here to 92 cents, 97 cents. Anywhere in between there would be perfectly fine as long as this holds really 80 cents. Like everything is good. Everything's good in the hood, but 90 to 92 cents is probably pretty normal. Now, if KDA just wants to retrace, which 90% of all cryptocurrencies are only going to do, $5.21. Maximum retracement level $7. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $33.33. What's your thoughts on Crow? I got you, brother. Outcast. Outcast is a member, so he gets priority. Appreciate your support, Outcast. Thanks, you savage. That's what I should call my membership. Is engine will reach $33. Engine will reach $33? Question mark exclamation. We'll see. I'm gonna look at it after this. That's what I should call my membership. Is you savages. All right, automatic rally on Crow, 10 cents. If she just wants to retrace, 50 cents, which is insane. This is automatic, bro. Like a 50, the 0.5, you're looking at a 5x automatic. Maximum retracement level will be 69 cents. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $3.33. The question is, when Lambo? When Lambo, bro? Listen, Wind Moon. For me, it's not Lambo. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting land. It's Lando with me. Acre bow, cowbow. No horses. Win Lambo. No Lambos for me, bro. I'll get a 69 Camaro. Win 69 Camaro. Super Sport. Win 69 Camaro. 2025, I think, is the parabolic level. I think we're gonna have a retracement though in May, sometime before May of this year. Get me a lifted truck. There you go. On my Instagram, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the truck that I had. I used to have a I think it was a K20. Yeah, I had 36-inch rims on it, and it was an 86 K20, 350 big block, 36-inch tires, and a 6-inch lift. You love to see it. All right, engine. Let's do engine. Just for nostalgia, I might get that. If XRP goes to like $21, I'll get that. All right, automatic rally, 68 cents. So the question was, will it get to 33? Yearn Finance, I got you. Will it get to $33? Is the question. When Lando, $2.53 is the retracement level. Maximum retracement level, $3.45. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, $16.84. So no, I do not think $33. Anything is possible, but that would be significantly more than the very blow off top height. So anything is possible, but I don't think $33 is in the cards for engine. But I mean, $17. It's insane. It's not about catching the Lambo wick, guys. It's about securing profits. Loop ring. I got you. It's about securing the bag. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about. Some say Bitcoin to 100K incoming. The next bull run, I think so. Right now, at this stage of the market, no. And that's your cue that we're going to roll back over, by the way. That's your cue. I don't think we get parabolic until 2024, 2025. But once we break past 69K, I think 100 and like 35, 38K is conservative. And then on the high side, we'll probably get like 188K, something like that. Loop ring is after this. Yearn. All right. Automatic rally for Yearn, 14,300. If she just wants to retrace, 42,000. Maximum retracement level, 58,000. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, 283,000. That would be insane. I don't see that happening, by the way. I think a retracement is much more likely for Yearn. What do you say about a crash in February? I think we're working on an ABC correction. ABC correction. And by the way, I drew it back here. I drew it back here at the local top. ABC. Back into like 21,000 on the high low end, and then on the low end it would probably be 16,000 somewhere in there. Then we're going to go off and away to the 0.5, which is $40,000. Ski big, what's up? Ski, what's a blood diamond and a VWAP? These are different type of patterns. Actually, I have the VWAP thing on here. Hold on. Let's see if I can find it. So VWAP is a really good indicator. So it kind of gives you like a range. So look, let me zoom in. So VWAP is a different type of indicator. This would tell you like where we're going to be ranging. And it's really good for like on shorter time frames. So right now I'm on the 15-minute. But we're in a crashing structure right now on the ABC. But when we're ranging it, it tells you like kind of where we're at. Do you trade also? I do, but I mostly dollar cost average. 90% of my portfolio is for dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost average, dollar cost average, dollar cost average. That's how you make the most amount of money. Loop ring. Did I do loop ring? No. So the main strategies that I use, I'm much more. I have a very good. How would I say? I'm much better at figuring out where we're at in the macro market. Micro, like who the hell knows what's going on? You know, a lot can happen in the micro, but I'm a lot better at figuring out exactly where we're at. Oh, this is. I'm like, what in the world? I'm way too close. On the macro, I'm very good at pinpointing where we're at. Micro, it's hard. It's hard to figure out. Even if I know where we're headed, it's like you can get liquidated pretty easily, and that's what they do. That's how they get you. They'll have these crazy wicks. So like the candle will look like this, right? Let me do. So the candle will look like this, right? This is how they get you guys, by the way. You guys see this? Okay. So maybe you think it's like, oh, it's 36 cents. And maybe you have your. Okay, this ain't going to work, but. All right, let me do it like this. All right, there we go. So maybe you got your take profit at like 80, 88, 83 cents, right? And you got your stop loss at 57 cents here, right? Well, what they'll do is they'll have like a lightning wick down here and they'll steal your liquidity and then they'll shoot up past here. That's how they get you, is by just shaking you out with they're almost like a little juke move, like a little fake out. That's how they get you. So I'm more macro trade, to be honest. That's more what I do. But 90% of my portfolio is for dollar cost averaging. And then on my trading side of the portfolio is 10%. And if I trade above 10%, then I take the money out and I put it in my long term portfolio. And if I get below 10%, then I'm just below 10%. If I'm at 8%, then hey, sucks to suck. All right, automatic rally on this on Loopring, 54 cents. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $1.87. Maximum retracement level $2.55. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, 2025, $12.47. So yeah, to answer your question a little bit better too, like really what I do is I wait for setups that take weeks and months to play out. And then once I see a setup on like an Elliott wave or a Fibonacci, then I'll dollar cost average heavy, but I don't really trade as much with leverage because that's how you get like stopped out. You can be right. This is the thing about trading with leverage. You can be right, but get stopped out. And that's just the ugly truth of the game. Leverage, liquor, and ladies are the three things that will mess up any good man. And so if I trade with leverage, it's no more at the max 10%, or sorry, 10x. That's the max. I'd never do more than that. But really, I like to flirt around like 3%. But even 3%, you can still get stopped out. So really what I like to do is wait for macro setups to play out. That's kind of my main strategy. All right. Did I get everybody? I think that's it. Where are we at? All right, y'all. Indicators help. They help, but they're not law. ICP. Indicators help, but they're not law. Really, when you trade, it's less about predicting what's going to happen and really about setting up what the most likely outcome is on both sides. And then so you have a plan in place on both sides. So it's if this happens, then I'll do this. Does that make sense? That's what the best traders do. The successful traders. It's less about predicting what the market's going to do and more about reacting, having a likely prediction and reacting to that. Let me reset my camera. Great strategy. Thanks. Mostly my strategy is to dollar cost average. Moving stop losses helped me a lot. Like you mean like riding profits to the upside? Yeah, I do that too. I like to move my stop losses in a place where uh, if I get stopped out, I'm in the green. But I mean, I'm telling you guys, 90% of my portfolio, I just stack. That's it. I just stack, stack, stack. 10% is for trading. All right, $9.75. By the way, I think you can make money trading. I think it's legitimate. It's not a scam. But that being said, you got to put in the time, like on the charts, on the strategies. Like you got to put in the time because it's a 1-0 game and you're going against the very best in the game. You're going against professionals and they are trying to take your money and you're trying to take theirs. It is a 1-0 game. There's going to be a winner and there's going to be a loser. Every trade that you do, somebody was right, somebody was wrong, and you're going to find out immediately. So this idea that you can just willy nilly off the couch, just we'll see what happens. Like, no, it's not gonna happen, bro. You got to put in the time, really study. Like Wyckoff or Wyckoff is big for me, and Elliott Wave Theory are the two big ones for me. But those are more macro. That's less. That's less micro, which is what I'm more of a macro swing trader, I guess. But for most people, dollar cost averaging is the very best thing that you can do. Just don't even worry about it. Just dollar cost average and then forget about it. All right, ICP. She just wants to retrace. You're looking at $44.36. Maximum retracement level is $61. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, 2025, $299. Johnny Flowers says Realm, and we'll do VT before that. Make sure you guys check out this podcast that just dropped with Ray the God. We went really deep on a lot of stuff that I think could be of value to you guys. All right, automatic rally 44.5 cents. Excuse me. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 14 cents. Maximum retracement level 20 cents. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, VET 2025 97 cents. And this is the last one. And then after that, I'm going to hop off here because I got work in the morning. But I will be on. I have another podcast on Saturday with Willie Harvey. As long as that doesn't get canceled. But he is a former NFL player, a good friend of mine. Woo, look at that. So we'll be doing a podcast on Saturday. I'll be dropping videos in between, obviously doing shorts and all that in between, and I'm gonna do another live stream. So that's kind of the schedule rounding out this week. I don't think there's anything in the pipe yet. Like we're kind of like working out the details on when we're gonna be streaming, doing the podcast. But next week, probably Monday through Thursday, I'm gonna be doing these live streams. And if I have a podcast and they're not into crypto heavy, I'll do a live stream afterwards. And if they are, I'm going to open up the podcast to you guys and your comments and all that at the end. I am in Tennessee. All right, yeah. So you already hit the automatic rally. I would take profit here. 5-10%, I would take profit, not financial advice. Now, if she just wants to retrace, 6.2 cents, maximum retracement level 8.2 cents. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, 2025 price prediction is 37 cents. All right, you guys, make sure you guys like this, subscribe. If you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you follow me. But that's it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. Yes, you missed it, I guess. I did crow. $3.33. But that's it for this time. I'll be on here for a little bit tomorrow. Peace.